Hi, I'm Dennis Sheppard, Regional Director of Operations with Window Nation. Today we're going to talk about replacement windows and what to look for when it's time to get your windows installed. First thing you want to look for is a team that is well prepared and using the best products to do your install. A great example here at Window Nation is we use the QuadMax line of products. These are top of the line and will help your windows perform 20 years from now as the same as they do on the day of install. The second thing you want to look for is a team that respects your time and your property. Here at Window Nation, we know it is a privilege to be able to help homeowners with their home improvement needs. You'll want to find a team that understands that and takes the necessary steps to protect your home prior to the install and during the install. A great example here at Window Nation, not only do we cover up your furniture and your furnishing and your walkways, we go the extra step to cover up your bushes and your flowers on the outside to protect them just as much as we do the inside of your house. And the last thing you're going to want to look for is a team that's going to give you confidence for years to come. Here at Window Nation, we have decades of experience with expert crews. We have long-standing relationships with our manufacturers and our vendors. And we have a dedicated warranty team that will support you for the life of your windows. So here at Window Nation, we know that your windows are only as good as the team and the tools used to install them. So if you're interested in hearing more, reach out to us at windownation.com or call 866-90-NATION.